What's up, guys? Good afternoon. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a brand new stock. Now, I don't do this a lot, but I've been doing a ton of research and I'm really looking for the next company that could have a move like Palantir. If you know anything about Palantir, it basically it is an AI company. It had government contracts, it had civilian contracts. It was trading around $7, $8. I made a couple of videos on YouTube about it a couple of years ago. Of course, I notified Patreon members about Palantir when it was $7, $8, $9. And then it went over $150. Now it's around $130 to $140, which is absolutely insane in a matter of 2 years. And I'm trying to find a company like that. And after doing all my research, I came across this company called Blacksky Technology. The ticker is BKSY. And I want to just tell you guys a little bit about this company. And at the very end, we'll go over the charts and we'll see what it's looking like. Okay. So, what do they do? First, they own and operate a constellation of satellites that photograph any location on Earth multiple times per day. Think about this for a second. With the wars going on in our world, especially today, and how much worse that's probably going to get over the next 10 years. Okay. With all the horrible things that happen in the world, imagine if there was something that could locate things anywhere, take pictures of it, and also use AI, which is a big part of our world today, to find the best solution for solving that problem. That's what I see this company doing. Okay. They use AI, analyzes those images automatically, detecting ships, military vehicles, and infrastructure changes in real time. Changes in real time. This is like live from space. Okay. It's pretty crazy when you think about. And then you also got to think about, like, you have to find companies that are changing the world. And where is our world heading? Well, obviously AI is here to stay. Crypto is here to stay. There's medical things are changing, right? Like, you don't really go to the doctor anymore. You could just hop on Zoom and get a diagnosis and get a subscription. You couldn't do that 20 years ago. So think about the dangers we live in, the dangerous things that happen every single day. And what if there's a company that could stop those crimes happening or can help the military in a huge way, huge advantage, locating people and ships and all the things that we need to understand out there, right? So this is what I'm starting to think about and why I've entered a position into this. And of course, I've notified Patreon members. Of course, shout out to the Patreon community. We just hit over 1,200 members. There is a free option and a paid option. It's been live for a little over 3 years, and we're just getting started. We have this new thing called Alpha Weekly, puts out the 5 buys every single Sunday. We've been on point for the last 7 weeks. Sells this intelligence to US and international governments, defense agencies, and commercial customers. Guys, huge, right? Palantir-like type company. I love that they deal with the government because the government's always going to have money to pay them. They work with defense agencies and commercial customers. So again, think about what this could turn into. All the people that want more security could hire these guys. Okay. The other thing that I read, I don't think it's on here, but they have a subscription model. I love companies that have a subscription-based model because that means they have constant revenue coming in every single year. It's like Netflix, but on steroids. Gen 3 satellites deliver imagery with AI analysts in under 40 minutes. Okay, so what if they improve that time? Game changer. Integrated directly into Palantir's Foundry platform. So this is really interesting. Used by U.S. intelligence agencies daily. They're already working with Palantir, which I like. Okay. Now, I'm not saying this is a company you need to put all your money into right away. And of course, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is a company that I'm building a position into. What that means is every week or every day, if I could, I'm going to be buying this stock, especially because it's going to pull back. And you'll see on the chart in a second that this is a very speculative stock still. It has built some nice structure, but the financials aren't the best. Okay. Q1 2026 revenue, they were at 20 million, down 29% year over year. Not really that good. Full year 2026 guidance, 130 to 150 million. So that's their goal, is they want to get to that much revenue, which would be huge if they could do that. Backlog, 308 million. Cash on hand, 41.4 million. I'm glad that they have some cash on hand, but they definitely need to get more cash on hand. Long-term debt, 209 million. That is a red flag. Okay. So this, you may be seeing this and like, hey, this doesn't make sense to invest in it right now. Again, I just want to start building a position in this company because of the future and where I believe the world is going. Okay. And I don't think it's going to get easier out there. I think wars are going to get worse, at least in my lifetime. Market cap, 1.3 billion. And just to kind of like be a little bullish right now, the market cap for, well, it's 1.3 to 1.4 billion. I just checked. But the market cap for Palantir, guys, right now, I'm not saying this is going to be a Palantir company, is 322 billion. Okay. I don't think this is going to go to 322 billion. Obviously, that'd be amazing on your investment. But could it get to 10 billion? Yeah. Could it go even higher? Potentially. I think so. If they continue to deliver, if they pick up their revenue, if guidance continues to, increase every single year. I know they also have some big companies like Vanguard and companies like that buying into them, which is great. So the future vision, real-time satellite AI intelligence is becoming essential infrastructure for modern warfare, national security, and commercial applications. Guys, government, commercial. Think about it. Think about where our world is heading. People want safety. They want security. They will pay tons of money to know what the enemy is doing. Every government on earth needs to know what is happening anywhere instantly. Blacksky is building that capability. So, key catalyst to watch. Peter Thiel's capital holds 6.6%. Serious institutional conviction. That's pretty good. Palantir Foundry integration. Wherever Palantir goes, BKSY data goes with it. If you're bullish on Palantir, you should be bullish on this. Gen 3 satellite constellation fully deployed. Imagery quality and speed improves dramatically. So if they can get the speed faster, that's a win. More revenue. You guys get the point. International defense contracts growing. Majority of new wins are non-U.S. government. AI analytics becoming standard equipment for intelligence customers globally. I mean, it is. AI is here to stay. It's going to keep growing, keep adapting, and you're definitely going to want to be a part of it. Let's talk about the risks, though. Q1 revenue decline. Obviously, talked about that. It needs strong back half to hit guidance. Only 41 million against 209 million debt. Not good. Planet Labs is larger, so this is a company also. I kind of looked into it, but not really. They're a direct competitor, so you got to understand that and say, hey, do I want to make a bet that this company wins at the end of the day? Government contracts can be canceled or delayed without notice. True. Still not GAAP profitable, burning cash. So again, not a stock you go all in on, in my honest opinion, but a stock you start building a position in if you truly believe in it. So let's kind of look at the charts real quick. I'm just going to go over this very fast. The MACD is overextended on a weekly. Could obviously roll over. The RSI is oversold at 69. Could pull back. The stochastic is also very high, could pull back. So again, this may come down. It has gone on a massive run for the last 2 months from $17 all the way up to over $40 now. And here's the cool thing, guys, the structure right here. So we go up, down, up, down, up. We're building higher lows, which I like. And here's another crazy thing. We have no significant volume until 80 bucks. So can this double very quickly? Yep, it can. But also, I'm fine with it pulling back because then it gives me more time to start building a serious position in this stock. But this is the one that I'm really so far, and if I come up with others, I'll let you guys know. So make sure you subscribe and drop a like. But so far, I really feel good about this company's future. There are some red flags. I'm not going all in, but I'm going to start dollar cost averaging into it and building a position with a long-term mindset. Have a great one, guys.